In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix the issue where your Facebook Messenger chat bubble hits are not working on your Android device. If a Messenger chat bubble is not showing up, disappearing, or simply not popping up, follow these steps. First, make sure you are using the latest version of Messenger app. To check that, launch your Play Store. Then search for the app Messenger. After app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch your Messenger app. Then click on three bars given at the top left. Head over to the option settings. Now scroll down. You're gonna find the option of bubbles over here. Toggle on for that option. Likewise, navigate to the option chat heads and enable for that option as well. With this, you have just enabled chat bubble in your Messenger. Next thing you wanna do is launch your settings. Now at the top right, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in bubbles and search for it. After option appears, click on that. Again, click on bubbles. Now select the option all. Once you have made these changes, your Messenger chat bubble should start working again. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.